Why? I don't really know what's going on. Like, so oh, hi. Didn't see you there. Hello everybody. It's your girl Kiitana here. I'm back, okay? I'm back again, and my channel honestly has been like, is needing resuscitation. Like, seriously, I haven't been posting consistently. You guys have been asking me what's going on, where are my videos. You know what, life update coming soon. There's just a lot has been going on, and I want to update you guys on that. So that's, put that off to the side. Let's talk about this video. You guys love these kind of videos. When I've posted them before, they're really popular on YouTube all over, everywhere. And I really thought I'll do another one where I've got tons and tons of stuff from Shein or all these websites. If you have any website that you want me to try, definitely let me know in the description box. I know there's a lot of websites out there that you guys are just like, is this shady? What's going on? How do their stuff fit? What do they have? I got you. I got you. If you are not already subscribed, first things first, if you're not already subscribed, just stop everything I do now and just click the subscribe button down there, okay? It is going to be red for you because you have not subscribed. I don't know what you're doing. What are you waiting for? So yeah, make sure you subscribe. Give this video a like if you like videos like this. You know, just a thumbs up. Just make sure you do that for me. Thanks. I have a lot of stuff from Shein. Let me even show you. Okay, let me wait 1 second. Do you see this? This is my box from Shein, okay? We're gonna talk about it in a second, okay? But yeah, it's full, packed, deep. So yeah, I'm just gonna try everything on. We're gonna talk about it. We'll see if they fit or doesn't fit. We just have to go back. But everything that I have will be linked in the description box so that in case you do like it, it's there. Buy it. Abi, what else is there again? Oh, this is not the time for my eye to be itching. Please. Respect yourself. Have you, have you guys have any experience with Shein? I know last time I made a video on this, a bunch of people said, oh, like they're shipping and this and this. So yeah, comment down below, helps people out. Let them know what's up so that if their experience is different from mine, then they can also, you know, learn from you as well. I've gotten stuff from them before, so I know that, you know, there are some hits and there are some misses. But for the most part, if you're smart in the way that you buy from them, should be okay for the most part. The stuff can be really inexpensive, so it makes sense for you to get like maybe not the most highest of qualities, but it's not that expensive, so you're not losing that much. Do you know what I mean? Alright, it's time for me to begin this video. Let's get into the clothes. Alright. Alright, so first off, I'm starting off with this two-piece. This has to be one of my favorite pieces from this entire haul, or whatever you call this thing. I've worn this before. I've posted on Instagram. You guys went insane. You guys are like, where did you get this from? I was like, Shein, oh, Shein. So I'll leave a link to it down below. I got this in a size large, and so it's not a skirt actually, yeah? In case you're wondering, you know, you're probably like, oh, is this a skirt? Actually, it's shorts. So yeah, but like skirt, yeah, that's what it's called. It's a skirt, and it is just so cute. Like, honestly, I'm obsessed with this. It feels like really high quality. It fits so great. It looks great. It tucks in all the right places. Like, the ruching is in the places it needs to be. It's right here, you know, so it's just cradling my stomach so that it's not looking like a, you know, like something's happening there. This one I will say is a thumbs up from Shein. Good job. Size large. So if you are, I know one of the main things about Shein is the sizing, so make sure you have measured yourself very, very well. In fact, measure every like this part everywhere, because you need to make sure that you're getting the exact size that you need. Otherwise, that's where you're going to find your biggest issue. That's what I find, you know. Yay. And it's actually really like easy to walk in, easy to remove it. And the only thing is, like, sometimes when you lift your arms, it starts to show your boobs, and you have to be like, what is happening? Like, why? So yeah, you have to be very careful about like lifting your arms, because there you go, my bra is showing again. Like, what? Why are you doing that? If you are one of those people that likes to wear no bra, I don't know if this is for you, because when you raise your arm one time, that's how everything will just be showing. I mean, I don't know if that's what you want. Ooh. Okay. So next up we have this romper, okay? Let's talk about it. Oh, I really like this. I feel like, you know, once I put on the belt and I just, you know, use it to like cinch, you know, so it gives me some sort of waist. But yeah, so I love the pattern. I love the way it fits. Like, it's like, okay, so 3/4 sleeves. It's kind of short, but it's not too short, you know? It's okay. It's okay. I don't know if it's showing my butt. I like this. It's super easy to throw on. You don't have to, you know, this is it. One piece, you know, and you're ready. You look stylish. You don't have to worry about anything. I mean, and then you just look like you tried, but then you really just put on one thing. That's one of the reasons why I like rompers and jumpsuits and stuff like that. It's like, boom, one and done. That's it. No problem. No questions asked. Nothing. So yeah, this is another piece that I got. Next up, we have this red striped two-piece, which I also love. Okay, like, I feel like majority of the things in this haul I actually love, because I feel like Shein has been doing a good job lately for the most part of like at least quality control, if that makes sense. Because look at this, another hits. Another hit, no misses, God forbid, we don't want any misses. Okay, so it's a striped two-piece, right? Okay, let me move back. Okay, you know, what again? What are we gonna talk about? I love it. And I think it also came in blue stripes, but I already have a few of the blue stripes, so I was like, okay, let me get red stripes. You want to switch it up, you know? What, you know? But yeah, like, I like vertical stripes because it makes you look a little bit leaner versus horizontal stripes, which, you know, don't do that. It fits really nicely. I'll put all the sizes I got down below because I don't remember what size this is, and it doesn't have the tag inside to tell me, so, you know, we just make do with what it is. Come on, you know. No, but this is really. Why is there a fly in here? Ha! I look like a baby girl. You know. What's up? I guess this is my first fail because I don't really know what's going on. Like, I'm not sure. Like, I've tied it in the back, but this is just not, it's not making much sense. I'm trying to like figure out. I mean, I could put it in my bra like that, but that doesn't really make sense. So, really not sure. Also, these pants are really unforgiving. Like, they just let everything just show like that, like as if. So yeah, it's not really helping in this area, and then it's also just smushing my insides here, just making me look like something, you know. I mean, I know I gained a little weight, but dang, like, you know, I've been gaining a little weight. But what I will not tolerate from you guys, not many of you, I'm sorry, like, I'm sorry for yelling, I'm sorry, but like, some people on my Instagram have been commenting, talking about, oh, I see you're getting a little big. Excuse me, do not even disrespect me like that. That is not okay. Do not, okay? Don't be talking about people in their weight. I don't think it's right. Don't do it. It's not cute. And don't be trolling people either. Like, for the most part, I love you guys. You guys are the best. My community is so great. You know, it's very positive. Everyone's helping each other out, especially in my Instagram and the comments and everything. But if I see any of you talking about my weight, okay, I will just come and slap you there, okay? Watch yourself. But it's cute though. I just don't know. If anyone can explain to me why this is like this. Is this the style? I mean, is this the style? I just feel like it doesn't make sense. But if it's the style, I guess. It feels like it shouldn't be doing this. But then again, maybe it is supposed to do this. This cannot be the style. It cannot. Okay. I've also noticed that a lot of things that in this haul are off shoulder. Once again, please bear with me. But no, if you like off shoulder things and you like two pieces, this is the haul for you. I wore this before as well. I think a few weeks ago. Is that a booty? What? No. I really like this. It's like cotton. It's like ribbed cotton material. Super comfortable. Off shoulder. You know, then it has the jogger part. My only complaint. Actually, I have two complaints. One, it doesn't have any pockets. Please, I don't know what's going on. How can you not have pockets? It only makes sense for you to be standing and just put your hand in your pockets now. Like, how? Why? What? Come on, please. You have to make practical sense in 2018. Pockets are necessary for almost everything. That's just facts. It's kind of loose at the bottom. That's another thing I don't really like. I wish it would stick to my ankles, you know, but maybe I have small ankles, I don't know. But then it doesn't matter because in the end I just like lift it up to like my calf area and then it does this like baggy thing. And I'm good. I'm chilling. We're alright. Huh. This is one of those outfits that I would definitely wear to the airport with some tennis shoes, call it a day, chill vibes. Okay. Next up is this dress, which I don't know. When I picked this up, I was thinking more of like, I honestly don't know. Let me show you it. So, I'm not sure, okay? I'm not really sure. There's a mirror right here. You know, it could be nice, like if I wore some heels and just, you know. I mean, what do you guys think? I love the tieredness of it, how it's tiered. I don't really know. I'm kind of torn. I'm not exactly sure, okay? What does everyone think? I don't hate this, to be honest. Like, as I look at it, I know it looks weird. I know this is definitely not my style in any way. I've never worn such a thing. But I don't hate this. I really don't hate this. I feel like, you know, does anybody else see the vision? I need somebody to co-sign with me on this because I just don't even know. As I look at it, I'm like, half the time I'm like, ooh, girl. Ooh. But then half the time I'm like, what is this? What is this? Who do you think? Okay. I have this romper. I really like it. The only thing is I'm by myself and I'm not able to zip it up, basically. So I can't zip it up. But I know it can be zipped up because my sister has helped me zip it up before in the past. So, you know, we're gonna just act like you can get the vibe of it from here. It's striped, it's got this like overlay on top, and it really fits really well. Like, but that's the reason why I can't zip it up is because it's like my exact size. So, you know, you have to somehow wiggle inside small. You know, but it's okay because I like it. So yeah, it just shapes everything really well, and then it's striped, so it just does what it needs to do. Let me just show you the full outfit. You know, so it has sleeves. I forgot. So one of the sleeves fell off when I was putting it on because, like I said, it's like my exact size, so it wasn't cooperating. So it fell off, and so then I just ripped off the other one because it's really only connected by like a little string, so it wasn't hard to. Okay, so this haul I've just found out is mostly 2 pieces. I honestly did not know this, but no. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but I like 2 pieces because 1, ready-made outfit. 2, you can wear like the shirt with something else. 3, you can wear the pants with something else. You know, like, so it's like 3 outfits in 1, if that makes sense. So I mean, I'm just saying I like 2 pieces. So anyway, here's another 2 piece. This one is on casual vibe. It has pockets, which is really nice. But yeah, it's like camouflage, nothing much to say. I got this in a size large. It does stretch, so you know, it does have some room for, you know, if you're a little bit bigger than me. And I think there was extra large as well. I think so. It's not looking too bad for my booty. You know, I got a little booty, okay? No, something's doing something back there, and I've started doing squats. So nobody better when my body starts to respond to these squats, it's over for you guys. It's over. Nobody better come for my shaku shaku because I wasn't even trying really hard just now. So okay, so next up we have this romper, which I thought I would like more than I like it now, so I'm not exactly sure. It is nice. I love the arms, you know, once again, flared arms. So I like that. I just feel like the pattern is not like my favorite in the world. It's kind of, I don't know. But then I like the back, but I didn't take off my bra for this, so, you know, you can still see my bra, but it's pretty much open back, which is really nice. So the more I look at it, the more I'm like, come on, snack. What's up? And then you can wear this with like some nude heels and then a nice little, you know, bag, and you could, you know, You can dress it up. You can also dress it down. I like it. 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 I think this is really good for like date night, you know, out with like for brunch. This makes sense to me with some heels or even just some sandals and a nice little bag, you know. All right, next up, surprise! It's another two-piece. I mean, what else is new at this point? You know, I don't know. I like this. I like the pattern. It reminds me of those Nigerian school uniforms. Like, look at that. Come on. If you had a school uniform that looked like this, you know you're a real OG. You know what I'm talking about. I feel like they still have school uniforms look like this anyway. This one very casual. Hey, what's up now? Sorry about that. I maybe wish that this was a little bit shorter, but then maybe you could just like hook it under your bra. Is that weird? Okay, that works. And then it just, yeah, this is nice. You know, as you're prancing around with your little bag, do I have a bag around me? There we go. You know, as you're prancing around. It's cute. Oh, look at that. Hi. Sis, just might wear this today, even though the day is almost over, but you know, you get the point. So I also got this top. You guys know I love mustard. It's my favorite thing, and I just wanted something very, very basic that I could just wear all the time, anyhow, with anything. Like I even have it on with these shorts that you saw earlier, and it works. Yeah, so that's about it. Like I said, I will link every single thing that I had on in this video down below. Make sure you check it out. Also, make sure you check out my Instagram so that you see how I style some of these pieces or will style them, because I've already done that before. I should have splashed them on the screen, the ones that I've already worn before. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Okay, and also if you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe down below and click the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos, because I know that I have a bunch of people who haven't been seeing my videos, but then again I think that's because I just haven't been posting, which is also a problem in general with YouTube and stuff. So we're gonna talk about all this stuff though. Jesus, I didn't get it. But anyway, we're gonna talk about it. And my life update video that will be coming up soon. I haven't filmed it yet, so we'll see. Alright guys, I'm gonna go because I have talked for like an hour straight. What am I talking about? Why do I talk so much? I don't know, okay? It's just the way I am, okay? I don't know what to say. So yeah, I'm gonna go. All my clothes. I'm tired. Bye. Woo. It's